Welcome everyone to Vested Interest. This is Shane back again for another stock pick of the day. It is Wednesday, September 21st. Actually, my birthday today. I am 43. I was born in 1979. But enough about me. We are going to cover CVS Pharmacy. They are out of the healthcare sector. Let's take a look. About CVS Health. CVS Health is a leading health solutions company that delivers care like no one else can. We help people navigate the healthcare system and their personal healthcare by improving access, lowering costs, and being a trusted partner for every meaningful moment of health. And we do it all with heart each and every day. So you've probably seen or even shop at CVS. They do have a local presence. Most of the places I've been around the country, there's always been a CVS there. They sell pharmaceutical drugs. They also have retail spots where they sell other, it's almost like a small grocery store in there, some milk, some bread, some goods like that. They also have their own store brands for pharmaceuticals and other items as well. So they are a holistic healthcare center. I know they're transitioning some of their local retail shops into quick clinics. So they're branching out into the clinics. So they do have doctors and nurses as well as the pharmacy in the back of the store typically. So CVS is a holistic healthcare provider. If you want to know more about them, check them out at www.cvshealth.com. And we are taking a look at CVS Health Corporation, ticker CVS, in the healthcare sector because they were down 1.55% today. Actually, a lot of red in the market today. Fed raised rates again by 0.75 basis points, which was expected. I think some people thought maybe a full basis point. In my opinion, they need to go full basis points a couple of times. We are still below historic norms. The norms are between 4 to 5%. We are not even at 3% yet. We need to get back to at least normal. And in my opinion, we actually probably have to go above normal, probably 6 to 7% to get inflation back under control. That's usually what it takes. You usually have to go above normal to get inflation to come back down. We will see what they do. I know there will probably be 1 or 2 more raises this year, and some people are freaking out, and the market didn't like it. They obviously like cheap rates, but we will see how they level out over the next couple of weeks once everything sets in that this is the path we are on, and the Fed is going to continue to raise rates until inflation comes down considerably, which is what they need to do. So in my opinion, this is what should be expected, but I know some people like the cheap to low to no interest rates that have been around for the last decade. The market definitely likes them. So a little volatility. You can see that volatility here throughout the day. Definitely towards the end of the day, a nice sell-off. CVS has a 52-week range as low as $81.78, as high as $111.25. I would say they're about mid-range currently at $99.77. I started buying these last year at 78 cents. I think my cost basis, I did sell out of this position. You'll see that in a little bit, was around $79, $80 around the low. So I would love for it to pull back into this low range in the 80s. Then I would probably add it back to my portfolio again. Volume, again, looks like it was down a little bit today. Average volume 4.7 million. Today was 3.5. They have a market cap of 131.976 billion, so they are a large cap company. A beta of 0.72, so a little less volatile than the overall market. PE ratio of 16.25. Would love to see this come back down into the 13 to 14 range. Earnings per share is $6.14. That is nice, actually. Next earnings date is November 2nd, 2022. They do have a forward dividend of $2.20. They do pay out quarterly, so divide by 4. That will give you your payout per quarter, and their yield is currently 2.17%. Obviously, the lower it goes, if it gets close back to this 8.8178, it would be closer to the 2.5, 2.6 range, I believe. Ex-dividend date, their last one was July 21st, 2022. They should have another one coming up here probably next month, I'm assuming. And according to Yahoo Finance, where I pulled this information, not affiliated, just where I like to post my information, they have a 1-year target estimate of $120.57. We will jump over to stockanalysis.com, another site I like to look at for information, not affiliated with them either. According to the 33 stock analysts they have had look at this, they call it a consensus buy where it currently sits. They have a low estimate of $98.98. It is not much higher than that currently. If it hit their low, it would be a little bit of a decrease, 0.79% from where it currently sits. If it hit their average range, $122.98, that's really in line with what we saw on Yahoo Finance on the previous slide. That would be a 23.26% increase from where it currently sits. And if it happened to hit their high of $136.50, that would be a 36.81% stock price appreciation. All the while, you could collect that 2+% dividend that it currently yields. And if you like information like this, if you like dividend stocks, dividend investing, I covered my dividend portfolio updates every Sunday along with these stock pick of the day videos. Go ahead and hit that like button. Share with someone you think might find value in the video. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think of CVS. Let me know what you think of the video. Let me know how your portfolio is doing. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So this is where I would go over my position. As I mentioned earlier, I have sold out of CVS. I had a significant run up significantly in value. I think I sold them at about $105, $106 per share. I was in them, like I said, for $78 to $80 per share. So it was a nice little chunk of change that I wanted to roll over to some areas that I thought were significantly undervalued, like HPQ, Whirlpool, and a couple others that I'm building out currently. But it is one that is on my watch list, and it is one I do want to add back to my portfolio whenever it becomes more attractively valued. Personally, currently at 99, I would probably not be interested until it got to the low 90s, much more interested when it got back to the 80s. But that is just my opinion. Do your own research and invest based on your criteria. And really, these are quick hitters, so that is about it for this one. I hope you're having a great week. As always, appreciate you stopping by. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to show me some love. Hit that thumbs up, ring the notification bell, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. I do personally read and respond to the comments. I'm always interested to read your questions, opinions, suggestions for future topics, or constructive criticism. Go ahead and drop it all down below. And this is Shane signing off, wishing peace and prosperity to you and yours. And remember, financial security comes to those who take a vested interest. We'll see you in the next one. I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing in this presentation should be considered financial advice. I'm only sharing my opinion and investing journey for educational and entertainment purposes. Investing involves risk. You can't lose money. You should never invest any amount, not come to losing. Always do your own research, invest based on your situation, circumstances, and select criteria, or seek the advice counsel of a certified financial advisor.